Hey there! Today I'll be going over how to access the Peekapak lesson plans and resources. So as you can see, I am on the main library page. Let's pick the Respect unit to look at today. This is the page for Respect. Under Unit Overview, you can learn more about the unit, see the key vocabulary, learning objectives and standards, and download the unit resources. From here, you can open the story for the unit by clicking on Read Story here. Here you can see an overview of every lesson for the unit. Click on Class to bring you to the full lesson plan. At the top of this page, you can switch between the class lesson, home lesson, and My Peekaville lesson. On this page, you will see the lesson's overview and brief instructions, download the resources needed for the lesson, and review the standards covered by the lesson. As you scroll down, you'll see guiding students through this activity. This section has a more detailed step-by-step breakdown of the lesson and prompts to give students. We've included an Accommodations and Modifications section. This is offered for every class and My Peekaville lesson. In this section, you can see tips for increasing or decreasing a lesson's difficulty and adapting the lesson for ELL students whose native language is not English. Thanks, and see you next time!